Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and discuss about addition of mixed fractions. How to add mixed fractions. Before class we discussed about how to add like fractions, addition of unlike fraction, and how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction and how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solution of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now we discuss about addition of mixed fraction. How to add mixed fraction. We know what is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and the proper fraction. 2 1 divided by 5. This is a mixed fraction combination of whole number. 2 is the whole number. This is whole number. And 1 divided by 5 is the proper fraction. Why it is proper fraction? Because the numerator 1 is less than the denominator 5. How to add mixed fraction? To add the mixed fraction, add the whole part separately and the proper fraction separately. If we add two mixed fraction, then we add the whole part separately and add the proper fraction separately and convert the proper fraction. If the proper fraction is not in the having the same denominators, then we have to convert that fraction, unlike fraction, into like fraction, that is converting the fraction into equivalent fraction, equating the equal denominators, equating the denominator equal to the LCM by multiplying the same number with numerator and denominators. Then the fraction that we get, that will be the like fractions having the same denominators. Then we can add the fractions. Addition of mixed fraction. To add the mixed fraction, add the whole part separately and convert the proper fraction or the unlike fraction, that is the having the unequal denominators, into equivalent fractions, equating the denominator equal to the LCM by multiplying the same number with the numerator and denominator. We get the same denominators, that is the like fractions. Then we add the whole part and the resulting the equivalent fraction. Now let's take an example. Add 2 4 divided by 5 and 3 5 divided by 6. These are two mixed fraction because this is the combination of whole number 2 and the proper fraction 4 divided by 5, and in the second mixed fraction the combination of whole number 3 and the proper fraction 5 divided by 6. Now we have to add these two mixed fraction. 2 4 divided by 5 plus 3 5 divided by 6. In the first mixed fraction, whole number is 2 and in the second mixed fraction, whole number is 3. Now we have to add the whole number. 2 plus 3, then we have to add the proper fraction. 4 divided by 5 and 5 divided by 6. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, and now we have to convert these both are unlike fraction having the unequal denominators. Here the denominator in first fraction is 5 and in the second fraction denominator is 6. Both are unequal. Now we have to convert these unlike fractions having the unequal denominators to the like fraction having the same denominators, that is equating the denominator equal to the LCM. First we have to find the LCM of 5 and 6. LCM of 5 and 6. Prime factorization of 5 is 5 and prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. Now LCM of 5 and 6 is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 30. Now we get the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Now we have to convert these two unlike fraction into equivalent fraction, that is multiplying the same number in the both numerator and denominator. In the first fraction, 4 divided by 5. What number you multiply the denominator 5, you get 30. In the table 5, we know 5 multiplied by 6, we get 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So we have to multiply the denominator, multiply the number 6 in the denominator 6, and that same number 6 we have to multiply in the numerator. That is 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 multiplied by 6. Now in the second fraction, 5 divided by 6, we have to multiply the denominator 6. What number you have to multiply the denominator 6, you get the LCM, that is equal to 30. In the table 6, we know multiplying the number 5 with the number 6, we get 30. So you have to multiply the number 5 in the numerator with the numerator 5. 5 multiplied by 5. Now 5 plus 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 and 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. And 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 6 multiplied by 35 is 30. Now we have to add these two like fraction having the equal denominators. LCM is 30, and when we add the like fraction, just add the numerators, that is 24 plus 25. Now we get 5 plus 49 divided by 30. Now we have to convert this improper fraction. This is an improper fraction because the numerator 49 is greater than 30. This is an improper fraction, so we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. If you have not watched that video of how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, please watch that video, how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Here we have to divide the 49 with 30 and we get the quotient 1 and the remainder 19 and the divisor is 30. Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. 30 multiplied by 1 is 30. 30 plus 11, 30 plus 19 is 49. So the mixed fraction is 1, 19 divided by 30. Now we get 5 plus 1 is, add these two whole numbers, that is 5 and 1. 5 and 1 is 6. 6, 19. This proper fraction 19 divided by 30. We get 6, 19 divided by 30. This is the mixed fraction. So addition of this mixed fraction 2, 4 divided by 5 and 3, 5 divided by 6. 2, 4 divided by 5 and 3, 5 divided by 6 is equal to 6, 19 divided by 30. 2, 4 divided by 5 plus 3, 5 divided by 6 is 6, 19 divided by 30. And this is the answer. So when we add the two mixed fractions, first we add the whole number part and the proper fraction part separately. If the proper fraction part is having the different denominator, then we have to convert the fraction into equivalent fraction, that is equating the denominator equal to the LCM. First we find out the LCM, then we convert the fraction into equate the denominator to the LCM, that is multiplying the same number with the both numerator and denominator. Then we add the whole number and the resulting that equivalent fraction. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.